Are you interested in real estate investing? Are you looking for smart, data-driven insights to protect and grow your wealth in an ever-changing global market? Welcome to Housing Watch, the premier destination for homeowners, investors, and retirees who want to truly understand the global real estate landscape. In today's world, housing markets are shifting rapidly. Interest rates fluctuate. Tax policies evolve. Economic uncertainty influences property values across borders. A single uninformed decision can impact years of savings and financial planning. That's where Housing Watch comes in. We deliver clear, data-driven analysis backed by insights from leading experts and advisors across the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Our mission is simple: to help you make informed real estate decisions with confidence. We go beyond headlines and speculation. At Housing Watch, we break down housing market trends, analyze supply and demand dynamics, interpret interest rate movements, and evaluate the impact of government policy and taxation on property owners and investors. Is the housing market overheating or correcting? Is now the right time to buy, sell, or hold? How do central bank policies affect mortgage rates and property valuations? What do tax changes mean for your long-term investment strategy or retirement planning? We answer these questions with clarity, precision, and objectivity. If you're a homeowner, we provide strategies to help protect and enhance the value of your property. If you're an investor, we help you identify risks, spot opportunities, and build resilient portfolios. If you're approaching retirement, we explore how real estate can support income stability and long-term wealth preservation. Our content is grounded in real numbers, not hype. We believe that informed investors outperform emotional ones. That's why every video is designed to equip you with actionable insights and a deeper understanding of market fundamentals. Housing Watch covers housing market trends across the US, Canada, and the UK, interest rate movements and their real estate implications, tax policy updates affecting property owners, retirement-focused property strategies, economic indicators shaping the housing sector. We translate complex financial data into clear, accessible insights, so you can move forward with confidence. This isn't about chasing short-term excitement. It's about long-term clarity. It's about protecting what you've built and positioning yourself for what comes next. Whether you own one home, manage multiple properties, or are planning your next move, Housing Watch provides the perspective you need in a rapidly evolving market. If you value informed decisions over speculation, if you believe data should guide investment strategy, if you want a trusted source focused on protecting and growing real estate wealth, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Housing Watch, turn on notifications, and join a community of homeowners and investors who choose insight over uncertainty. Housing Watch, because your real estate future deserves clarity.